John Van Len in New Zealand, Sotheby's International in the Manawatu. We've found a beautiful country home. In fact, country at number 6, Homestead Lane. It's on the Summerhill. In fact, it's a short walk to the Summerhill Shopping Village, where there's lots of eateries and lots of great things to do. But here we have it, 470 square metres of high quality home, one level. It's a lot of home, but it's 5 bedrooms. It's 3 wonderful living rooms. It's got superb outdoor living, just seamless flow right to the outdoors. And you'll see behind me, the trees just make the backdrop gorgeous, a park-like setting. But the little X factor here is we have got 9-car internal access garaging. Never heard of it before. It's great to have. Have a little wander through this one. This is outstanding. Number 6, Homestead Lane. Well, if you're looking for space, good space for your family, furnishings, friends, or amalgamated family, of course, we know that parents love to live with you at times, but here we have it, number 6, Homestead Lane, off Titirangi Drive, one of our best, is as good as you get. We've said it's low maintenance, we've said the park-like setting will really grab you in the indoor-outdoor flow that the property has, but more than that, we have the shedding that also at 9-car garaging can be converted into a self-contained area if you choose. So lots of variety, lots of quality, a perfect location for so many different reasons. So call myself or Michelle anytime you like, but you'll need to be quick because they just don't come up like this one very often at all.